Trick Workshop. How to drop in.
Welcome, Rangers. Today we learn how to master the drop-in in 5 stages. So let's get started. Stage 1 is all about the practicing of the feel of the drop-in. Learning to snap that board down immediately, wheels straight to the concrete, while not leaning too much forward or leaning too much back, which will cause a slip out. Stage 2 is about practicing this on something that has transition. Starting on small wedges is something very helpful to get you more used to riding with the transition. Stage 3 is now finding something with concave transition, similar to a quarter pipe, maybe a fun box. Starting with a mellow transition like this will bring bigger confidence when you go to take it to a bigger quarter pipe. Stage 4 is all about finding your timing. When you're ready to drop in is when you're ready to drop in. Know that you're in control, that you can take your foot off and still balance all the timing you need. And when you're ready, that's when you drop in. At this stage, you are officially now dropping in. But to master it, you gotta take it to a higher level. So continue to practice on more transitions. Stage 5 is the final stage. To master this drop in, you gotta take it in everywhere you can and drop on in all kinds of transitions. No matter how high it is, no matter how steep it is, you have the tools to get it done. Just believe in yourself, take your timing in, and make it happen. We hope this was helpful and that you enjoyed the video.
In the tape.